I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make burritos with flour tortillas. First, select your flour tortillas. 8-inch to 10-inch tortillas work best for a good wrap. Next, prepare your desired fillings. Think seasoned ground beef, chicken, or vegetables, along with rice and beans. Don't forget your favorite toppings like fresh salsa, creamy guacamole, and a dollop of sour cream to complete your delicious creation. Now, let's get those tortillas ready. Gently warm each flour tortilla for 15 to 20 seconds in a dry pan or microwave. This makes them pliable and easier to fold without tearing. Lay a warm tortilla flat and place your chosen filling slightly off-center, closer to one edge. Remember not to overfill. Leave approximately 1.5 inches of clear space around the edges to ensure a secure wrap. Mastering the fold is key to a perfect burrito. Begin by taking the bottom edge of the tortilla and folding it up and over your delicious fillings, tucking it in tightly. Next, fold in both the left and right sides of the tortilla towards the center, ensuring they overlap slightly and create a snug package. Finally, roll the entire burrito firmly from the bottom, where you started folding, all the way to the top. To finish, you can sear your perfectly folded burrito. Place it seam side down in a hot, dry pan for 1 to 2 minutes. This quick sear helps to seal the burrito, preventing any fillings from escaping, and also adds a lovely, slightly crispy texture to the tortilla. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade masterpiece. For easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.